Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. Hey, today I wanted to go over an item that I purchased recently for my Ryobi 40 volt tools. I had a battery that was out of warranty and died, yet I have several tools and they're all still good tools. They work just fine, but I needed batteries. So I'm like, okay, I've got to go buy a new battery. And I go and start shopping around and looking for Ryobi batteries. And, for two 40 volt 4AH batteries, it was like $280. And so it was really more affordable to look for the exact same tool and a battery, like a combo kit, price wise, as far as saving you money. And so while I was shopping around, though, I came across some aftermarket 40 volt batteries and started doing a little research on whether they were safe to use and would they work with my Ryobi tools. And so after reading and doing some research, I determined that I thought that they were safe enough, and so I went ahead and bought a set. It comes in a 2-pack, and here's one of them, and I have the other one right here on my Ryobi blower. And just so I wanted to show you some of the features and compare them to the Ryobi battery. So one of the things that I researched is that most of these batteries are manufactured in China. Ryobi's battery is manufactured in China, and this battery that I bought, I believe the manufacturer's called Non-Bleep. Odd name, but that's what it says. Pick these up on Amazon, and I will put a link down in the description if it's something that you're interested in. Now, the Ryobi batteries that I have are the 40 volt version, and they're 4AH batteries, and they've been great. They come with 3-year warranty. I have no complaints about them, except for when you're put like I said, I had one that was over 3 years old. It was out of warranty, and it died, and I wanted to replace it, but my tools are still good, and I don't want to go out and spend between $150 and $300 to buy a couple of batteries. So I was able to pick these up at the time of this video being shot. They were approximately, I believe they were around $80 for two. So they come in a 2-pack, and they were $80 on Amazon. They come with a 1-year warranty instead of a 3-year warranty. But really what I was looking at is, would they fit? Do they work? Will they fit on the Ryobi charger? And after doing some research, all of those things they qualify for. They will fit on the Ryobi charger and charge your battery. They do fit on the tools and work very well. They even give an extended use time, because the Ryobi is a 4AH battery and these are 7AH batteries. They're both lithium ion batteries, Ryobi's and the aftermarket battery. I checked how batteries, as far as the safety ratings, the Ryobi battery and the non-aftermarket battery all have the exact same certifications for safety. So to me, it just made perfect sense to give these batteries a try. Granted, they have a 1-year warranty, so even if these batteries last 1 year and 1 day, they are a third of the cost. And so, being money minded and trying to get the biggest bang for the buck, I bought these. And now I've used them today some, because I wanted to make sure that they that they worked fine. So both of them came with about 50% charge. So I put them on the Ryobi, one of my Ryobi 40-volt chargers, and let them charge. And I had a Ryobi battery that they were both at about the same level, about 50%. They both charged fully in about the same amount of time, about 20-30 minutes. They were fully charged, so I thought that was good. I showed you that they fit on the blower, and just so you can hear it. So that works, so that you can see it does work on the blower. I also have a weed eater, and you know, this weed eater is probably, I don't know, 4 years old or so. So just to show you that it does fit on that too, and it does, and so you can see works on the weed eater too, and it has a lot of the same features as the Ryobi battery does. And when I say that, you can see that it has the button, so you can see that it's fully charged, or what the charge status is. Same thing as the Ryobi, does the same thing, gives us status. So everything is the same, except it doesn't have the Ryobi name on it, but it has the same safety certifications. They're both made in China, and it's a third of the price. So I wanted to show that to you, and I'd like to get your opinion. I'd like you to put something in the comments. Would you consider buying an aftermarket battery for your tools? You know, they make aftermarket batteries for not just Ryobi tools, but other tools too. But I was just curious, you know, would you consider this battery? Based on the price, based on what I've told you about the certifications, and you can read for yourself, you know, just to verify yourself that they're safe, and they're safe to use. They may not last as long, they might last as long, I don't know. You know, I'll have to make a follow-up video in a year, but I can tell you they work now. They cost a third of what I would have had to pay for two 4AH batteries. I got two 7AH batteries, so I'm hoping that these are going to give me a little more runtime, especially when I run the weed eater and the grass is tall, and it has to work a little harder. I have a third of an acre. I can do all of the weed eating most of the time with one 4AH battery, but sometimes when the grass is a little higher after we've had some rain and stuff, you know, it doesn't quite get to the job. It gets right towards the end, and then I run out of battery and have to change. So I'm hoping that this will give me just that little bit of extra runtime. And like I said, I'm going to make a follow-up video to this, maybe in 6 months, maybe you know, next spring. I'll still be using them, hopefully. And if I am, I'm going to make a follow-up so you can see. But anyway, I felt like they were a good deal. I feel like they're safe. I'm going to use them on my Ryobi tools. They work. If you think that you would consider that, like I said, hit that link down below, and go pick yourself up some too. And let me know in the comments if you would ever consider using an aftermarket battery. Hey, thanks for joining me today. I appreciate it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And most of all, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on any of my other future videos. Until next time, stay safe.